Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my dear student? Okay, I hope all of you are fine and you are staying at home. Today is the first online class, so we will start today the chapter 1. The chapter name is Physical Quantity and Measurement. Physical Quantity and Measurement. Okay, chapter 1. So today's topic is density, relative density, volume, capacity, mass and weight. We will discuss about these terms. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now we know that which one is heavy object. For example, this is one object and this is another object. Okay, not this one, this one. These two are the two different objects made up from two different material. Okay, now for example, this is iron, made up of iron, and this is made up of wood. Okay, though its shape are not equal, we are assuming here that both the shape and size are equal, but these are made up from two different material. One is iron, one is wood. Now, which one is lighter, which one is heavier? You can easily say that if the size and shape of the two similar objects are same, but one is iron and one is wood, then iron is heavier. Now, how do you conclude this statement? How do you know that iron is heavier? It tells that it is about the density. Okay, in order to compare, look at this, in order to compare the heaviness or lightness of two different materials, one object is heavy and one object is light. Okay, heavy object and light object. Okay, the two and made up from two different materials. We need to compare their densities. Okay, it is about their densities. Those objects having more density is heavier, and the object which has less density is lighter. Okay, now what is density? The density of a material is equal to its mass per unit volume. This is the definition. Mass per unit volume is called the density. Okay, the density can be expressed as density equal to mass by volume. Okay, the common observation that iron is heavier than wood. But we know iron is heavier than wood if the iron and wood having same size and shape. But we will say that iron is heavier than wood. It means that the density of iron is greater than the density of that of the wood. Okay, if this is the iron and this is iron and this is wood, both having same size and same shape, but iron is heavier than wood. Why? Because the density of iron is more than density of wood. Okay, now, so if any object which has more density, high density, the weight is more. Those object which has less density, their weight is less. Okay, they are lighter object. Now, in common that this is the two country. For example, this is India and this is China. Okay, the population of India and population of China. Okay, this dot represents the population of China. Now assume that the area of India and area of China both are same. Okay, but the population, look at this, population is of India is less and population of China is more. Now we will say that China is highly populated, densely populated country, and India is less densely populated country. We can understand from this example. Okay, now similarly, take this one, volume, this is same volume, both having same volume, and this dot represents the mass. This dot represents the mass. Now here the mass of China is more, mass of this I box is less. Now the mass of C box is more, it means the density of C is more and the density of I is less. Why? Because the mass is less. Okay, so density depends on mass. Higher the mass, higher will be the density. Lower the mass, lower will be the density. If mass increase, density also increase. If mass decrease, density also decrease. Okay, now formula: density equal to mass by volume. SI unit of mass is kg and SI unit of volume is meter cube or cubic meter. So the SI unit of density is kg per meter cube, or we can say kg per cubic meter. Okay, now SI unit of mass is gram and CGS unit of mass is gram and CGS unit of volume is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So the CGS unit of density is gram per cubic centimeter or gram per cc. We can write this one. Okay, so these are the units of SI and CGS units of density. Okay, now what is the relation between SI unit of density and CGS unit of density? It is 1000 kg per cubic meter is equal to 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, remember this one, very important. Okay, this is the relation. Now here you have to remember that density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter and density of ice is 0.916 gram per cubic centimeter. It is the density of ice is less than 1. It means the density of water is more than ice. Okay, now turn the page. Next topic is relative density. Relative density is also called or known as specific gravity. Relative density also known as specific gravity. Okay, it is sometimes useful to compare the density of a different substance with the density of standard substance. Okay, sometimes we will compare somebody that taking as a one standard. Okay, here density of water is taken as a standard. Okay, so two substances can be compared. Okay, substance A and substance B. Okay, now if we make substance A as a standard, okay, then we will compare with A, we will compare A with B, we will compare C with A. Okay, that for example that this height of the A person, height of the A is 6 feet, if and 6 feet. Okay, and height of the B, sorry,